Okay, we're here now at the Black Stallion booth. I got Charles Hwang, he's the Vice President of Sales for Black Stallion, and Terri Snyder, who is the East Coast Territory Manager. And first, I'll start with you, Charles. What's one of the things, or what is the typical things that a distributor would buy from Black Stallion?
Well, Black Stallion, we have a wide range of products in terms of the welding garments, gloves, accessories, fire blankets, screen and frame. So we got it all basically. For anything regarding cut and sew type products, we have it available. So right now, some of these shirts are very popular in terms of the ones that we're wearing right here. The plaid shirts been very, very popular. We made some improvements in terms of the pearl snaps. So we're always looking for new things to do, new products to develop. How can we improve on our current products as well too? So yeah, we got a lot of products for our distributor for sure.
Stylish too, as you can see. One for you, Terri. What might be something that people don't know about Black Stallion?
So Black Stallion has a women's line. We call it our Angel Fire. This is our hybrid coat. We have a full FR cotton coat. We also have a women's Angel Fire stick and TIG glove that's available.
What are some of the resources that you guys offer for distributors here?
We have a full-on website. If you go on blackstallion.com, our distributors, they have access to our portal, so they can look at their orders, look at their shipments, track their orders, inventory levels as well too. Right? Whatever you can't get there, you can always give us a call. We have an excellent customer service team that'll help our distributors whatever they need in terms of products, orders, whatever they need basically.
You mentioned before about a sales network. Talk about the sales network that's available for the distributors here.
In addition to our internal team, we have an outside sales rep network across the nation. So locally, each distributor is going to be represented. If you need assistance at the end user level, internal sales training, we'll contact our rep. They'll come out to our customer base and help them out in terms of training, end user calls, product information sharing, and so forth.
Excellent. And we're here in San Antonio. Perhaps some of the distributors weren't able to make it. Take us through the booth. Show them what you got here on display.
A couple items that we really like to highlight here is the elk skin, deer skin welding glove. This is very popular in Texas. So one of the key features of ours is going to be the Nomex lining. That's been phenomenal for us. So Nomex lining basically what the firefighters use, race car drivers. So you got the extra protection there for sure. For the stick gloves, MIG gloves, we have a wide variety of MIG gloves, grain pig skin, deer skin, cowhide. You're going to get protection on that in terms of MIG application. The T50 is one of our most popular TIG glove as well too, right? So this one's been a phenomenal line for us. So again, a full range, and what Terri mentioned regarding the Angel Fire TIG glove as well. So a lot of new products in terms of welding space, but also cut rated gloves as well too. A lot of gloves are gravitating more towards cut rating here, so the driver's glove and the coated glove. So a full range.
Well, there you have it. There's a quick update from Black Stallion. Thank you guys for everything that you do for us here at GAWDA throughout the year. We really appreciate it, and it's always awesome to see you guys at the shows.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.